Are you trying to make Mama laugh? Oh, Scooby. Yeah, do it again. Make me laugh. Oh, Scooby. Oh, that time you almost didn't make it, huh? Do it again. Come on. Okay, I'm going to ignore. I'm going to look away so that maybe you'll do it again. I'm looking away. I'm looking away. Looking away. Better do it. Better do it again. I'm looking away. Yes, there's a cord there, Dad. And no, he's not going to hang himself with it because he can't get on the couch by himself. Nor can he get off the couch by himself. What? Who's a sit-down comedian? Huh? Oh, big red ball. I never dreamed you'd bid me farewell. There's a lesson to be learned from this, and I learned it very well. Scooby. The roller coaster ride we took is nearly at its end. Nothing is gonna be alright. Yeah, the worst is over now. The morning sun is shining like a red rubber ball. Yeehaw! Get it, Scuba. Good boy. Yay! Got it. All right, over and out, big guy. Say hi. No? Hi? No hi? Oh, Fern said hi. Over and out.